I mean, I had to start dipping into my savings to pay for my car, and I thought, nah, work should be covering for that. Look at this classic lane hogger. I mean, look at that, the wagon's even going to be overtaking it.
That was a big flash, wasn't it?
Honestly, the driving on motorways is shocking, like, Harry. Why isn't he pulling over? He or she? Hey. Get out, man, you shower of shite.